Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
A secret to a good cup of tea is the masala. And today, I'm going to unravel this secret. Hello and welcome to Rajshri Food. I'm your host Ruchi Bharani and let's see the recipe of Chai Masala. So let's start with roasting some spices. I have 25 grams of green cardamom here, 4 of the black cardamoms, 25 grams of cloves, half a nutmeg, 50 grams of cinnamon stick, 2 mace flowers, 100 grams of salt or dry ginger. Make sure you chop it into small pieces so that it's easy to grind. 12 to 14 peppercorns. On low heat, let's start roasting these. It's very easy, especially to burn the dry ginger. So what you can do if you're making it in a larger quantity, make sure you chop up all the ingredients into small pieces to quicken the toasting process. The whole room is filled with the aroma of the spices and it's amazing. This is done. You just have to roast it for about 5 minutes. Now let's get it off the flame and cool it down for about 5 minutes in a plate before we start grinding it. This is cooled down a bit and now I'm going to add it in the grinder. Don't add the entire quantity at once because we want a very fine powder. So grind like half of it first and then the other half. Let's check on this. We will need to sieve this powder in case of any residual pieces. So let's put it in a sieve. There are a few bits and pieces left, so I'm going to grind them again with the remaining amount of spices. So let's add this back into the grinder, as well as the remaining amount of the spices. So there are a few bits and pieces left. If you wish, you could always grind it for the third time and then sieve it again so that you don't waste too much of the spices. This chai masala is ready. Let's fill it up in this jar. I can almost smell the chai being boiled. You can store this in a jar, in an airtight jar for at least 6 months, but make sure that the spices are nicely roasted. And with this recipe, you need not buy any more of the store-bought masala. So do give this a try and I will see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to Rajshri Food. Bye-bye.